Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this one today, what we're going to be doing is setting up a sprinting system inside of Unreal Engine. So, we are here in the third person game mode. Right here, as you can see, we can run around, and when we press W on our keyboard, we can sprint. When we let go, we'll go into idle. We don't really want this to happen. The goal of this episode really is to press W and the player will walk. And then when we press Shift and W, the player will sprint. It's pretty much as simple as that. So there is a couple of things that we will need to know, and you need to. So what we'll do is we'll get the max walk speed by opening up the BP third person character template. If you don't know where it is, it's third person character blueprint, and just open up this. This should be your character if you're using the same project as me. If not, it will be here. Just go world settings and search for selected game mode, and on the default pawn class here. You can also press this little folder icon to get to this this blueprint. Okay, so we need to know the walk speed before we do any type of code. So let's just go into here and search for walk speed, and it'll come up with max walk speed, and it should be set at 600. To get this up, you need to click and hover over this. So yeah, 600 is our walk speed. Now we don't want to go straight to that, so what we're going to do is change this to maybe 150. Let's try that. Okay, sweet. Now we can compile, go into the event graph, and right here is where we would set our code. So we do shift and then change the max walk speed. But let's just test this out before we do anything. Let's click play. Now you can see our character is walking when we press W on our keyboard, and now we want to change this into sprinting. So when we do this, what we could do is search for left shift. That's usually the key that I use, and then you could get the character movement component, drag out of here to get the variables, and we could set the max walk speed just like this. Now, if we just hook this up into here, let's go and see what will happen. Let's just change this speed to 600. So we've changed the character's speed down to 300. Somewhere around there, can't remember where it was. And then when we press left shift, we're setting it back to 600. So let's see. Let's walk with W, and then when we press shift, our player is now sprinting. But what about if we let go of shift? So our character is constantly going to stay in this max walk speed of 600. So what we need to do is do a max walk speed again. Let's just do this, copy and paste, and hook this into released. And then we'll set it back to, what was it, 200? I can't remember what I set it to now. Walk speed, 150. Hook the character movement into here, just like this. Okay, compile and play, and let's see what happens. When we press shift, we can sprint, and then when we let go of shift, it will go back to walking. Now, just to fine tune this a little bit better, let's actually go over to the mesh and click the mesh here. We're going to go into the ABP unarmed, which is our animation blueprint. I'm just going to make this look a tiny bit better. So let's go into locomotion and into this, into the locomotion, and we want to find this walk/run. Then we double click on this blend space right here, and now we can see which speed is set up for which animation. So when we walk forward at a speed of 300, at a speed of 300, we're going to play this animation here, which is, oops, which one is it? It is unarmed walk forward. So right now we're probably walking around somewhere here, and you can see the feet don't really work that well, so we should probably change the speed to match the blend space at 300. So let's go back to here, go back to the character movement, and change the max walk speed, which is here, to 300, like that. And then when we walk around now, we should get a more natural walk. There you go. And we're moving at a speed of 300 right now, and then when we press shift, we will go into sprinting. Okay, so that was just a really simple tutorial on how to sprint inside of Unreal Engine. This should work with any character of your choosing. Make sure you check the Patreon if you want any of the project files from my other videos. And like, subscribe, and I'll catch you later. Peace.